Good morning, 11th Standard Commerce student. Unit 1st, Fundamentals of Business. Chapter 3, Classification of Business Activities. This is the last chapter for this unit. Okay, let's move on. Introduction parts. Introduction. The manufacturer produce the goods for the consumer at the one point of location. They distribute the goods to final consumer thought intermediates like wholesaler, retailer, distributors and the like. All these processes taking place from the point of production to the point of consumption are collectively called as a business activities. All business activities can be classified into two broader categories. For example, industry and commerce. Okay, what is mean by industry? Industry refer to economic activities which are connected with conversions of resources into useful goods. For example, cotton textile industry refers to the manufacturing unit producing the textile goods from cotton. Kinds of industries. Industries may be classified into two broader categories. First one, on the basis of activities. Second one, on the basis of size. On the basis of activities, industries may be divided into three wide categories, namely primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. Primary industries. Primary industry is connected with the production of goods with the help of nature. Secondary industries. These are concentrated with the using the material which have already been extracted at the primary stage. Primary industries may be further subdivided as follows. Extractions industry, second one genetic industry. Secondary industry divided into two categories, manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing is divided three part, analytical, synthetical and processing. Next, on the basis of size, micro, second one small, third one medium and fourth one large. Thank you.